So you can see this is the setup. You just open it like this. Then you right click. You come to extract to a specified folder like this. Then you locate it. Let's say I want to put it on the desktop. I click here, desktop. Then I click new folder. And let me name the folder as FL 25 extracted. Then you click enter and you click OK here. Now, so once it is done like this, the next thing that we are going to do, is to open the folder where we extracted our files. So we have it here like this. It is still zip. So what we are going to do is to extract this one again, or you can just open it. You double click on it to open it for you. This is very simple. Then you locate it at the same place so that you can find it. I want everything to be simple for us. So desktop and FL. Okay. Let's wait for the process to finish. I made it a zip. That is why it is punishing me over here. Yeah, to protect the file. So as you can see, this one, it says it's a WinRAR file, and I'm extracting those ones here. It's a WinRAR, but looking at this one, it says it's a zip. Yeah, so you cannot open a zip file, a WinRAR that you have compressed it to a zip directly. It will open into a zip, into a WinRAR before you open again. And I don't want it to keep long. That is why I am using this process. So boom, we have it done. So once it is done, you can delete this one because we still have our zip. We still have our zip file here, our setup. Yeah, but if you can, you can leave it. So now let's get into our installation. The first thing you are going to install is this one. You double click on it. Before you start the process, make sure you turn off your antivirus. Any antivirus that you have on your device, make sure you turn them off. My own is already off, so I'm good to go. Whether the SmartDAV or the 360, make sure you turn everything off. Good. So now, once we have this Windows, what we are going to do next is just to click next like this. Then we click on agree. We click next. Then you mark these two settings. Then you click next again. You click next. You wait for it to proceed before you continue. Then you click next. You click install. Now our installation has almost begun. then you click next again. You click next, you click finish. Now once we have this one on our desktop, the next thing that we are going to do is to copy the FL files and replace them. So we are going to come to this first one. As you can see, the process start from is 1 2 3 4, yeah, to here. So you open this folder and you make sure you copy everything you have here. Then you come to this folder, this file here. You right click like this. You click on open file location. Then you paste it somewhere here. You click replace. Now it is done. Now the next thing for you to do is to go back and come to the add-ons. Or let's finish with this one. We come to the tray. You double click on this, the tray, which is the flash. You open it. You copy this folder, sorry, this file, you copy it. Then you come to plugins. You come to Fruity. You come to generators. Then you look for Flex. We have the Flex here. You open the Flex and you paste it here. You click replace. Once we have replaced the Flex, we can close this one or we can decide to leave it. Now let's go back here to the add-ons, here. So now we are going to open the folder like this. Once you open the folder, you can see that they make a file inside here, document here, a text document. You double click it and you open it. When you look into the document, it says what? Here it says C, user, and your username for your PC, and document, image, line, downloads. So meaning we are going to locate this place, this folder, which is the downloads, and we will paste this optional features over there. So now let's copy the optional features here, and now let's go to this PC. You go to your local DC, you go to user, you go to your PC username. If you use Amachi Dede, you open Amachi Dede. If you use Ochimba Yuadua, you open Ochimba Yuadua. If you use original, you open original. This is my PC name. This is what? Greater Lion. You open it. Then you come to documents and you come to image line. You can see my image line is here. You open your image line like this and you come to downloads. You open downloads. Now, I have already installed it. So once you don't have your own, you just paste it here. You just paste it. For me, it will show replace. Your own, it will not show replace because you have not installed it. And you click replace. So now once we have replaced like this, we can close this one. And now we go back again. The next thing for us to do is to install this one. And we are going to do that by double clicking on it like this. So once we double click, you can see we have a Windows like this. We click accept, we click yes, and we click OK. So now let's try to open our FL and let's see something. Boom. So now everything is in touch. Then you click close. So now the next thing that you are going to do is to make sure that it is registered, and you're going to do that by coming up here where it says help. You click, you scroll down, you come to about. So once you get here, if it is registered, you can see here it says FL Studio is unlocked and registered to. If it is not registered, it will say trial version. Yeah, my one has registered successfully. We are not done. Now, the last thing that we are going to do is to come to files. You come to files here. And you make sure you mark this ones here. When you open your one, it will not show like that. It will be like this. You click, you mark them. so that every setting that you do here, whenever you open your Airflow, it will just load for you automatically. Now you come up here, you can see here they say user data folder. You click on the user data folder, you come here, you click OK, then you come to my documents, then you click on image line, you click select folder,